Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AIMAN bin ROSLI, and I will explain about impact of variable speed drive (VSD) on Hvac in thermal comfort, air quality, and energy consumption. Okay, firstly, our group mate is me, Muhammad AIMAN bin ROSLI, MUHSIN AMILI bin NOOR ROSLI, SASITARAN anak lelaki VARATHARAJOO, and also XIANG. Okay, for introduction, Hvac systems are essential for maintaining comfortable indoor environments. VSD or variable speed drive are electrical devices that use to control the speed and power output of motors in Hvac system. This presentation explores the impact of VSD on thermal comfort, air quality, and also energy consumption. Okay, for thermal comfort, as we know, maintaining optimal thermal comfort is crucial for occupant satisfaction. VSD allow precise control of fan and pump speed in Hvac system. VSD are doing this by enhanced control, which provide precise control over the operation of Hvac equipment. By modulating the speed of the fans or the pumps, VSDs can adjust the airflow or water flow rates to maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels. This improves comfort by ensuring a consistent and balanced distribution of conditioned air or water throughout the space. Okay, VSD also has adjustable speeds that enable better regulation of temperature and air distribution, enhancing the thermal comfort. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is MUHSIN bin ROSLI. Today I'm going to talk about the VCD effect on air quality. Okay, first is a reduction in airborne contaminant. VSD enable better control over ventilation rates, ensuring a continuously supply of fresh air and preventing the accumulation of airborne. Second, by maintaining optimal airflow rates, VCD help remove pollutants such as dust, allergen, and volatile organic compound (VOC) from indoor environment. Third is this reduce the risk of respiratory issues, allergies, and other health problems associated with a poor air quality. Okay, second thing is the prevention of mildew growth. So how VCD help? VCD contribute to improve humidity control in the system, preventing excess moisture level. By adjusting cooling and dehumidification process accurately, VSD help inhibit the growth of mold, mildew, and other microbial contaminants. Lastly, this promote healthier and indoor air quality and prevent respiratory issue, allergies, and other health concerns associated with exposure to mold. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Now we see the VSD on Hvac in energy consumption. Hvac systems are significant energy consumer in buildings. Second, we see the VSD technology reduce the energy consumption and lower the operating cost. During the periods of low demand, the VSD reduce the motor speed, resulting in reduced energy consumption. And then the VSD avoid the constant energy usage associated with fixed speed variable. This will greatly reduce the energy consumption and the operating cost. Thirdly, we see by adjusting the motor speed based on actual demand, the VSD optimizes the energy usage and minimize wastage. For example, the VSD with a turn down ratio of 10:1 means the motor can operate at 10% of its full speed, providing the substantial energy reduction during low demand of period.
Good evening, everyone. Right now, I'm going to present the benefit of variable speed drive, which is VSD. First of all, it improves thermal comfort, which precise control of fan and pump speed for optimal temperature regulation. It also enhances air distribution and balancing for consistent comfort. Secondly, it increases better air quality, which optimal air circulation rate for improved ventilation and pollutant removal. It also reduces energy wastage, lower environmental impact. Third, which is reduce energy consumption. efficient motor speed control matches system output to actual demand. Energy saving result in cost reduction and sustainability benefit. So, next is the challenge and solution. As for this challenge, it has initial investment and installation cost, and it compatibility with existing Hvac system. So, what are the solutions? So first of all, we are conducting a cost benefit analysis to justify the investment. Secondly, it engaging Hvac professionals to ensure proper integration and system compatibility. So the conclusion is variable speed drive offers sustainable benefit in Hvac application. It also has impact on thermal comfort, air quality, and energy consumption. Utilizing VSD technology lead to enhanced thermal comfort, improve air quality, and reduce energy consumption.